Hi friends, will show you an easy way to reset the secure folder password if you forgot it on your Samsung device. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So without wasting time, I'm already in the phone settings. You should also open your settings. At the top, you'll see your Samsung account. Go into that. Scroll down and sign out of your Samsung account. To do that, you'll need to verify via email. Press Send Email. Now go to your Samsung account email, scroll down, and you'll find a Continue button. Press that. Then go back to your phone settings, and you'll see that you're now signed out of your Samsung account. Now go back and open the secure folder. You should now see the option to uninstall it. Press Uninstall to remove the secure folder. Next, go back to your phone settings, go to the Samsung account, and sign in again. After that, you can set up a new secure folder and choose a new password. If your issue is still not solved, leave your problem in the comments and we'll try to solve it together. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.